at the Louisville Slugger Museum gift shop. This is who's looking at bat pins.
My name is not on it.
Well, I wonder if they can customize them. Probably not.
Oh, you can.
Can you? Can I do it right now?
Order. Never mind.
So again, a couple of bats made for a couple. It's actually burning. Smell the wood burn. Smell the wood burning.
There's a Scott and a Sean. Sarah in 3 different spellings.
This is who likes her pins.
If they write good.
If they write
It may
good.
be
They
a
probably don't.
second
They probably don't like. Probably will last maybe one shift for you. Buys full-size bats for people who are leaving. Little, just enough to poke someone with.
Got a rope. Put that on your wrist. And consider it a Christmas tree.
Yep.
For me, I put a key on it and hang it somewhere so you can't lose a key.
True.
These bats got wood. See?
A wood ball. That's cool. A wood ball.
Some of them got pictures painted on them too. That one goes down there.
Yeah, that bat. That's actually out front. We can actually take a picture of that here in a second. Bottle openers.
And grilling sets. That's one way of really doing a
Wiffle ball.
plastic.
Yeah. But they have official legal size bats.
With official legal
And
certificates.
they definitely
Not bad, though.
have to weigh, yep, 120 for official bats.
That are made good.
Mm-hmm. They're definitely going cause bodily harm if necessary. They don't have any here right now, but they actually sell gold bats online. So that's like a four-week turnaround on the gold bats apparently.
Now these ones I like. They scorched the wood.
That's cool. Scorched.
Yep, just the bottom half. And lacquered.
So yeah, anyone can come here, same day, get yourself a mini bat. That's what we're doing right here, right now. Have it customized. We're going to show that here too in just a second. But you can get a mini bat. They're $33. That includes the graving or burning. Actually, they're actually burning to the bat wood, bat fabric or fiber itself. So they have all sorts of colors. So they don't have the gold bats or the silver bats. Those are special orders. But if you go online, you can order a gold bat or a silver bat, along on with those colors back there.
And they could have came and got some of that wood out of here.
Yeah. There's a youth official bet. And if you're really a collector of bats, something to hang your bats off of in your home or your office or whatever. So you can get a 4-way, you can get a 1-way bat holder for $45, but that's unique. Here's an even cheaper version. Hold your bat there. It's just plastic. Screw into the wall, hang your bat off the plastic holder. That's even a cheaper way of doing it, to displaying your bats. There's a 2-way bat. Pretty cool. And of course they have a Pero. Oh, that's chocolate.
Yeah, white chocolate and regular chocolate, and it's a matte mitt, ball, and bat.
Oh, that's cool.
Over there is just a bat.
Baby shirts. Or in hats.
Toys.
And
Chocolate.
a chocolate bat. Feels like solid chocolate too. There's hats, and shirts, lots of shirts. Downtown Louisville, Kentucky, folks. They actually offer a tour of the factory here. We're not going to do that today, but they do offer a tour of the factory here. So if you're ever in Louisville, Kentucky, or near Louisville, Kentucky, if you want to check out a little bit of a tourist thing, come to the Louisville Bat Museum here in downtown Louisville. It's on Main Street, Main, and I believe 7th Street in downtown Louisville. What's the pennies?
Oh, don't do that to Canada. $1 each.
Thinking of you, Calamine. Smush pennies.
You could get all $4.
$4 for a penny.
$1 each. All 4 for $4.
$1 each for a penny.
A smush penny.
Smush pennies.
Ready?
Yep. And then, of course, this big puppy.
Should have bought him a ball.
And then,
They have plenty of balls in there.
yeah. Oh. And then right there in front of the museum. Gotta keep going back to get the whole bat without getting ran over. Louisville Slugger. Louisville Slugger Bat Museum. Museum and Factory. They offer tours, and you can pick up customized bats.
Show them the bats.
And all sorts of apparel. Do I? Oh. And out front,
It's a plaque.
out front of the museum are these plaques in bronze. Boeing. Baseball fans out there, fanatics out there. Josh Gibson. Honus Wagner. We're talking Jamie Foxx. Babe Ruth. You can definitely get a official legal size bat and have it personalized. The Louisville Bat Museum. Downtown Louisville here at the corner of Main Street and 8th. Don't come downtown very often, but there's all sorts of things to do if you're ever in the area. If you are in the area, look me up. See you next time.